I couldn't be more excited to announce the availability of Workday Recruiting. And true to Workday form, we took a different approach and we reinvented the recruiting experience. Why? Well, most importantly, our customers asked us. They told us that their applicant tracking systems were not intuitive, they were clunky. They were designed for compliance and not for collaboration across the hiring team. So, less than 2 years ago, we made the decision to go deep and engage in design thinking with our customers. For months, we went on site. We listened to every pain point. We observed everyone in the recruiting process doing the work of recruiting. What does that look like? Well, first, we support the entire hiring team, not only the recruiter. That means the interview team members, the candidate, the hiring manager. And you know, recruiting is an inherently social process, so collaboration and flexibility must be core to the design. With Workday Recruiting, we're introducing a dynamic business process framework for the first time in Workday. We recognize that every candidate and every job is different and can take a different path during the process. So the hiring manager and the recruiter, they need the freedom to determine the next step or add new steps. People are always standing outside of interview team rooms, waiting to go in, looking at the candidate profile, or they're adding a prospective candidate they just met at a cocktail party. They do that on their phone. We built for them, where they're hanging out in their natural workspace. We built on the mobile device first. I know our customers are thrilled that we listened, and together we reinvented recruiting. So let's take a look.
Recruiting is a team sport. That's why we designed Workday Recruiting for everyone in the process, from hiring managers and recruiters to internal and external candidates. Workday Recruiting puts hiring managers in the driver's seat. With insight into what's happening with their requisitions, they can see if there are enough candidates in the pipeline or who they need to move along. They also have a snapshot of a candidate's record and can quickly work through a list of candidates to identify the best fits for their open positions. It's this dynamic nature that makes the application so powerful. With Workday Recruiting, managers can easily scroll through a candidate's details and even open up attached resumes. And everyone on the hiring team can collaborate through the entire process on their mobile device, quickly adding comments that are always in context. As soon as a manager takes action, the next person in the process is notified, and the entire team gains insight into the process. Both external and internal candidates will find that Workday Recruiting vastly improves their experience. Designed to be responsive, the application is tailored to the device being used by the candidate. And once a candidate has identified the right job, they can quickly apply for that job, right from their mobile device. They can even use their social profiles, such as LinkedIn, to improve their experience. Workday Recruiting also benefits internal candidates. When requisitions open up for jobs in which they are interested, they can quickly search through the available postings to find their next move. Recruiters gain visibility into their organization's entire talent pipeline, including current employees, external candidates, and prospects. This is powerful information for recruiters, information that's difficult to access in traditional recruiting systems. With unparalleled insight into the effectiveness of your recruiting organization, recruiting leaders can share newfound information with the business leaders they support. Built to transform the talent acquisition process, Workday Recruiting offers an entirely new experience for your hiring team. For more information about Workday Recruiting and other applications in the Workday Enterprise Cloud for HR and Finance, please visit our website at workday.com. Thank you for your time, and have a great workday.